nobody's out. After games, we receive a lot of gifts.
And come back on June 11 for our practice and 12. Then there will be a general practice. I forgot, I think July 3. So, say Google Classroom for the step. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless children. Continue to practice reading. So that, yeah. Thank you. God bless everyone. Take care.
Say to you, we miss you, teachers.
Baby, tingin!
Yan. Wala pa kayong picture ni teacher. Baby.
Thank you po, teacher! Mami, miss, upo kayo ni Teacher Miles. God bless po! Thank you so much po sa lahat ng nagbigay ng gift. Until next time po! Guys, thanks for watching! I love you all! Stay safe and God bless! Oops, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. See you on my next video. Bye!